Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see a solution for missing number in the range. Meaning, if we are given a range, say 0 to 4, and we are given an array which has all the number from 0 to 4, but one of the number is missing, we need to find what that number is. In this case, our expected output is 3. So let's see a solution for this. So the approach that we are going to follow here is, we are going to calculate the sum of this range first, and then we are going to calculate the sum of this array, and then we are going to subtract it. And whatever the difference will be, it will be the expected output that we are looking for. So in order to calculate the sum of this whole range, we are going to take the help of the formula called n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so first of all, our n will be array dot length, or we can simply say it as 4 also. Anyone will be fine. And then we are going to calculate the total sum. So here, what we are going to do is, we're going to calculate it with the help of n into n plus 1 and by 2. So this is going to give us the complete sum of this range. Okay, and for calculating the sum of this whole array, we are going to run a loop. I is equals to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. But before that, we have to define a variable called sum. Initialize it with 0. And then inside of this, every time the loop runs, we are going to add array of I into this sum. Once this loop is completed, we are going to just console the difference between this total sum that we calculated here and the sum of the array that we calculated. So let's see if this is what giving us the expected output. So yes, you can see that it is giving us 3 as the output. So yes, this was the solution for this question. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.